Camp Nou is finally coming back to life, and yes, it's happening sooner than you think. After years of waiting and months of construction, FC Barcelona is ready to return to its true home. But there's a twist. It's not going to be fully finished yet. Still, the moment fans have been dreaming about is almost here. And there's a lot to unpack, from high-tech updates to jaw-dropping new features, without actually saying jaw-dropping, of course. Let's break it all down. World's most iconic football stadiums. Today, we've got something every Barcelona fan needs to hear. If you love stadium design, football history, or you just miss seeing Barça at Camp Nou, this is going to be a treat. The new Spotify Camp Nou is no longer just a construction site. It's turning into a real stadium again. And it's happening fast. Barça is coming home. Here's the headline. FC Barcelona is officially returning to Camp Nou in the 2025 to 2026 season. Now, let's be real. The stadium won't be completely finished when the season starts. But that's okay, because fans will finally get to return to their team's legendary home. Even if the full capacity won't be available yet, the feeling of being back will be priceless. The La Liga season is set to begin somewhere between August 15th and 17th. But Barça will play its first 4 matches away from home. That gives the club a bit more time to wrap up key parts of construction. Smart move, right? According to La Liga president Javier Tebas, this schedule has already been approved. So fans, grab your calendars and mark late September. That's when Camp Nou will open its gates once again. Here's another exciting update. Barça is considering holding the Joan Gamper Trophy at the new Camp Nou before the season even starts. The date would fall between August 9th and 10th. But this won't be just another preseason match. It will act as a pilot event, a live test of the stadium's systems, crowd flow, and safety. Around 25,000 fans might be invited for this trial run. Can you picture it? The anthem playing, supporters singing. After more than a year away, the energy is going to be incredible. What a way to test the stadium before the season really kicks off. If all goes well, Barça could host around 65,000 fans per home game for the rest of the season. That's nearly 2/3 of the full capacity, a solid turnout for a stadium that's still under renovation. Let's talk details. What exactly will fans get when Camp Nou reopens? For starters, the first and second tiers of the stadium will be open. That means fans will have access to plenty of seats with great views. There will be 7 redesigned public entrances to help people move in and out smoothly. That should make match days easier and more enjoyable. The VIP and player areas will also be ready. That includes the players' tunnel and viewing sections, fully modernized and ready for action. And yes, the pitch will be ready too. The final layer of grass is scheduled to be laid by mid-July. That gives it just enough time to grow in before the ball starts rolling. One more surprise. A brand new 3rd level is almost done and may be open to some fans as well. It's still in advanced construction, but it might be accessible by opening day. If you're wondering about season tickets, here's what you need to know. Just like at the Olympic Stadium in Montjuic, FC Barcelona will use a reservation system. That means 83,000 club members won't have fixed seats yet. Instead, fans will need to book tickets game by game. It's not perfect, but it's fair. It keeps things balanced while the construction finishes up. And for many fans, just being back at Camp Nou will be worth it. Let's talk technology now, because this isn't just a regular rebuild. Camp Nou is getting some serious upgrades. First, the entire stadium is being wired for 5G. With a €10 million investment, fans can expect super-fast internet everywhere inside the venue. No more dropped connections when you try to share that last-minute goal online. The 5G system is being installed by New Era Visionary Group and Mass Orange. And it's designed to work with all major mobile providers, so everyone will benefit. You might have seen those wraparound video boards at Real Madrid's Bernabeu. Barcelona thought about doing the same, but changed plans. Instead, Camp Nou will have 3 massive screens hanging from the stadium roof. These screens will be Ultra HD and clearly visible from every seat. It's a simpler setup, but it looks amazing and it costs less too. Why did they go this route? It helps the club save money and focus more on things that really matter to fans, like comfort, experience, and food options. Now for the cool stuff, the features that will turn Camp Nou into a world-class stadium. First up, a shopping boulevard will run through the complex. It'll have restaurants, merchandise stores, fan zones, and more. Imagine grabbing food and checking out gear without ever leaving the stadium. VIP seating is also getting a huge boost, from 2,500 spots to nearly 9,400. That means more fans will get premium matchday experiences, and the club gets a nice revenue bump to help with finances. It's a semicircular viewing platform built on top of the stadium, 70 meters high. Yes, you read that right. You'll be able to walk above the stadium, looking down at the pitch and out across Barcelona. It's one of a kind. No other stadium in Europe, not even the Bernabeu, has anything like it. There's something powerful about seeing a club come back to its true home. For FC Barcelona, this is more than just a move back to Camp Nou. It's a statement, a sign of progress, pride, and persistence. The rebuild hasn't been easy, but it's been worth it, because when those gates open and the fans return, the feeling will be unforgettable. This new Camp Nou blends old memories with fresh ideas. It keeps what made the original stadium special, while adding new technology, better design, and more fun for everyone. It's not just about size or looks. It's about making the stadium a place where people feel connected to the team, to each other, and to the city. So, to sum it up, FC Barcelona is heading back to Camp Nou in late September 2025. The stadium won't be 100% done, but it will be ready enough to host thousands of fans, create amazing memories, and restart a new chapter in Barca history. From massive screens and 5G networks to new VIP areas and a skywalk like no other, this version of Camp Nou is shaping up to be something truly special. Whether you're a die-hard fan, a stadium geek, or just someone who loves football energy, there's a lot to look forward to. Thanks for watching. What part of the new Camp Nou are you most excited about? Is it the skywalk? The screens? Or just hearing the Barca anthem inside Camp Nou again? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Giga Structures, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We'll keep bringing you the latest on this rebuild, from concrete to kickoff. See you next time, and as always, Visca el Barca.